Commemorating 2 years of the Voice of the People Party's journey as a political force in Meghalaya, the VPP party of Bhoi district organized a blood donation camp on Monday to mark World Blood Donors Day. The event took place at the community hall Sajer, Nongpo. 20 members of the VPP party from Bhoi district volunteered to donate blood, symbolizing their commitment to the World Blood Donors Day celebration. Rindong Sngi, a prominent figure in the VPP party, highlighted the significance of blood donation, stating that blood donation not only extends a lifeline to those in critical need, but also promotes our health and vitality.
Kalian gini fitur ya baru diperdoa terus enam berarti semua dan ais enam markas enam kalau ini ya dijuin dongkam ya kan enam gibuan ayam lagi dia ikut perfect number dan coba ini tambah tim longkam dan tim lepat ya jadi gibuan ayam perfect jadi gitu.
Former MLA of Molai constituency